passenger. Again. Oh, it's an airplane. Oh, hello everybody. Didn't see you there. Today we're gonna do some more Roblox again. Yes. Again, thank you for 40 subs. I still haven't made a special yet, so oof. So I guess just play some airplane story. I haven't played this before. So let's just get in line. Okay, so since I only played this honestly once, I don't know how this goes, and turn up the volume, leave. Oh, what? I didn't notice that. Okay, airplane, and we're in. Okay. Oh, I have A10. Where's A10? Is this A10? It's not A10. Wait, am I in the right place? A10. Hello everybody, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. I'm looking for my chair, man. Where is it? Bro, where's my chair? Where is... Okay, so this... Oh, there it is. There it is. Can I sit, please? This is 10, isn't it? Yeah, okay, yeah, perfect. Whoa, this is crazy. So we're all pilots. Feel free to explore airplanes. Wasn't reading dialogue, just inspecting the human in the place.
Is this a remake?
Yeah, remake of what? I think so, maybe. Now, please find your seats as we are about to cross an area of high temperature? Temperature? Is it temperature or altitude? Holy, this is not how I get on the airplane. It does not do that. Also, we're already in the sky and it doesn't have a back tail or it doesn't. What is that thing sticking out of it? Is it like worms or something? Like, are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? It's like a good sandwich and then like stuff hanging out of it. Is everyone else's sandwich like that? I'm a little skeptical. Do all the sandwiches?
Oh no!
Like that? Yeah, all the sandwiches have like this 2 gooey arms. But this sandwich has mayo. I'm allergic to mayo. But look at her face.
I found it.
I'm sorry, I was useless, man. I don't care. Okay, so we're just gonna sit back. Phew, that was a close one. Yeah, let me just look out the window. Good afternoon to you all passengers. My brain's gonna explode. So they're all passengers, which is great. Oh, excuse me. How rude of me to burp. Okay, where did those people go? Like, okay, where's the captain? That's what I don't feel safe. Guys, look, what is that? To the right wing. Left, right. What? It's not showing me. Excuse me. Oh, there is something. Oh, you will not survive. I didn't read it, sorry. Oh, what the heck is that? What the heck is that? It's snakes. It's snooks. Run, everyone. Oh, there's a snook. He's just like, I need human flesh. There's an open restroom. Quick. Where's the restroom? Help. Restroom. Stop this. Help, I'm dead. I'm gonna die. Open restroom. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, this bongos. Help up. Helps up. Helps up. We're stuck in here now. That's not good.
Whoa. At least we're safe.
I'm gonna go back to my seats.
Power up, back up. Is up, back up.
And we're still in space.
And the snakes are gone. Thank God.
I can't sit on the chair, apparently. This game does not want me to sit on chairs. Holy, let me on. Okay, the good news is the power is back up. You said that like 3 times, you stupid 5-year-old. So is this J. That's J. Bad news that... What are the bongos going on for? Oh, take an oxygen mask. Wait, do I have one? Wait, how do you do this? Wait, did I already get one? Wait, what's happening? Wait, what's happening?
The mask will keep.
Wait, do I have a mask on? Oh, I do. Okay. I have a mask on top of a mask. I'm thinking about the very well. Whoa. What just happened? I can't see anything. What's that thing? What are we going to do? Found a pair of scissors. Found a pair of scissors. Which cable should I cut? What cable? Oh, she has a bomb on her. Hey, we did it. I think this might be the first story game I actually complete. Wait, what? It's just gonna play it off like, oh, enjoy your flight. We haven't. Why is it locked?
Something is happening inside. Captain might be in big trouble.
My door needs a... Oh my god! What the heck is that?
It's a creature.
Yo, what is that? What is that? The bongos be playing. I brought you here. All of you. You mean just 2 of us? Animal.
It is. And now it's time to go.
Grab. Is there any life jackets or anything?
See you in the
Afterlife. Sorry, mispronunciation. Oh, we're actually falling down.
The captain is unconscious.
I was sleeping. Flipping on and off.
Click everything you can find as a button. I'm scanning everything in this room. Oh, that's not fair. It must be here then.
That button's dang.
We did it. We are saved. The plane.
This is Jay. Why don't we go home already then?
Now we need to find emergency phone.
Okay, we found an emergency phone, which is great. Hello? We need help.
Our captain is unconscious.
Oh, the airport. Where did they go? Did they just like yeet-a-roni out of there? Bro, didn't they serve us poison sandwiches earlier? Bro, I'm very confused. Oh, we can't leave. We're stuck. There's invisible walls. Like, oh. They're unconscious. How are they talking if they're unconscious, bruh? They're like an invisible phone on their heads. That's weird. weird. That really is confusing. See who's in the co-pilot. Hey! Okay, everyone! I got this! It's just me. I'm apparently everyone and an unconscious boy.
What?
I can't bail. There's bongos again. Oh no! It is back! The 5-year-old's back. Yeah. Oh, he's really short. That's why he's 5. Humans are funny! You humans are funny. Whoops. Your demise has already been written. Is it like Bendy in the ink machine?
Not doing it. I'm saving this plane. You humans are so weak.
You see me skirting on the wall list.
It's not the last time you'll see of me.
It sounds like he's driving. Hey, we can. Yeah. Let's go. This was such interesting. Since I haven't completed any story game, and we all know that. Yeah, see you guys in the next video, and a Gizmo's Big Adventure is coming very, very soon. So stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe if you're new, and make sure to like this video. That tells me if you enjoy. And also subscribing will help out my channel. We're reaching 50, even though I haven't made the 40 special, but I'll make the 50. See you guys in the next video. Bye.